Guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram DMs not working problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings, then scroll down to the apps section, and here go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, next move, go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache. Click on it. Then you can go check if it works. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, you will lose all your data and all your stuff. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.